So what I'm about to talk to you about is an advanced product research technique. So within the 5 steps to product research, the first thing that we did is used the Jungle Scout web app, put in our filters at the top over here to find the right products, and we came out with a list of products that we found. One of the products was this plastic cup with lid, a disposable one, BPA free. So what we would do in step 2 is make sure that we would use the broadest keyword to do a search within the Amazon search box. So what we would do is we would take plastic cups, and that's highly likely to be the broadest term. If we were to do this at the moment, if we did plastic cups and we put plastic cups into the search criteria here, what you will find is that there are now over 80,000 results. Now, don't let this put you off. This is definitely an advanced technique. So within a scenario like this, there is still opportunity for you to do well in this arena. However, it is unlikely as a beginner to be on page 1. So what you would do is you would scroll down all the way to page 2 or to page 3. Now, if we take page 2, for instance, if we ran the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, what we should find is that people are still doing very well on page 2. So if you were able to get your product to page 2, you should be doing good sales. So as we can see here in revenue, let's exclude the sponsored ads for now. You can see that the revenues here are 10,000, 18,000, 6,000, 14, 8, 21, 14, and 83. The reviews here are pretty low. That's under 100. Same there, not that one, same there, and same there. So we've got a good number of listings here. And what you could do is you could start diving a little bit deeper into, for example, this one here, and try and find out what's different between this one and the other cups that we're looking at. And then you can narrow down your search a little bit into the silver-rimmed 10-ounce tumbler as mentioned on this listing here. And you could do the same for some of these. Now, you would spend a little bit more time trying to find these products and try and find whether they actually meet the criteria and whether they're actually going to be profitable. However, this is a very good and advanced technique for you to find products that no one else will actually find. So you could do the exact same thing to page 3. You could do the exact same thing to page 4 and all the way up to page 13 and see what page you still would be able to make money on. Now, just to clarify, I know we typed in plastic cups here and we get over 80,000 results, but just so you're fully aware, if we typed in BPA free plastic cups, you will find that there are 10,000 results. And there you can see is a sponsored version of the cups that we were looking at initially, and this person is ranked very highly on the first page. So it's not always necessary to have the broadest key term, because you will rank for searches like this, you will rank for searches like this, and other various ones like that. So what I'm saying here is, for this advanced technique, don't just dismiss the 10,000 results. Maybe try and dig a little bit deeper. So you could even type in smoothie cup here and see how many results you get. If there's still a demand for smoothie cups, it means that there could be an opportunity there. Also look at the second page and the third page and the fourth page and see if the Jungle Scout Chrome extension shows you that it meets the criteria that we were looking for within the revenue and the reviews. And then you would continue to follow the steps within the 5 steps to product research to make sure that that is the correct product for you.